家好，欢迎来到 Daily Mandarin. I'm your host, a native Mandarin speaker. Every episode, we learn one useful Mandarin word that you can start using right away. Today's word is 说. 说. It means to say or to speak. Let's get started. Listen carefully and repeat after me. 说. Again. 说. One more time. 说. 说 uses the first tone. Keep your voice high and steady, like you're holding a note. 说. 说. Now, let's build your Mandarin. 说中文，说中文 Speak Mandarin. 我说中文，我说中文 I speak Mandarin. 我说英文，我说英文 I speak English. 我说日文，我说日文 I speak Japanese. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time, and they ask you, 你会说中文吗？你会说中文吗？ Do you speak Mandarin? You answer, 我会说中文、英文和日文。我会说中文、英文和日文。I speak Mandarin, English, and Japanese. Or maybe you just say, 我只会说英文。我只会说英文。I only speak English.You'll hear this type of conversations all the time when meeting new people. You'll often hear native Mandarin speakers say, 说曹操，曹操到。说曹操，曹操到。Literally, it means speak of Cao Cao and Cao Cao arrives. But that's not what it really means.It's the Mandarin version of saying, speak of the devil. It's used when you're talking about someone and that person suddenly appears. Here's the story. Nearly 2,000 years ago, there was a famous military leader named Cao Cao. One day, people were discussing him, wondering when he would arrive. Almost as soon as they mentioned his name, he appeared.Because of that story, people began saying, 说曹操，曹操到。说曹操，曹操到。Today, Mandarin speakers still use this expression whenever someone unexpectedly shows up right after you've been talking about them. Now imagine you're having lunch with a friend. You say, I haven't seen Emily in weeks.I wonder how she's doing. Just then, Emily walks into the restaurant. Your friend laughs and says, 说曹操，曹操到。Of course, your friend doesn't mean Emily is Cao Cao. They simply mean we were just talking about her. And here she is. And that's today's daily Mandarin word, 说. 说. Let's practice together 3 times. 说, 说, 说. Now it's your turn. What languages can you speak? Can you make one sentence using 说? Write it in the comments below. I'd love to read your Mandarin. 好，大家下次见咯. See you next time, everyone. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a word.